My name is Jeff Sundwall. I work for Chemring Energetic Devices in Downers Grove, Illinois. Well, we're a manufacturer for aerospace and defense. Our primary customers are the United States Navy, the Air Force, NASA, and then some of the other space people like SpaceX, United Launch Alliance, Blue Origin, and some of the other aerospace manufacturers like Boeing. Well, currently we're using Lyndex tool holders, Cat 40s, in our Okuma machines, the SK Collet series in particular. They work out quite well. We have other Lyndex Cat 40 tool holders that we use in our other machines as well, and regular 5C collets and 3J collets as well. Originally I was looking for a shrink fit holder, but then I had the opportunity to visit the Lyndex headquarters in Mundelein, and they did trial cuts for me with a shrink fit, a regular ER collet holder, the SK, and the SK holder was by far and away the best tool holder. The chips that came off were beautiful. There was no vibration from the machine. I was sold right after that. So the support from Lyndex is pretty amazing. I'm in a great place that if I ever needed to, I could drive up to Mundelein and visit, talk to the engineers. They're very happy to come down and visit with us and tell us about their products. I was very impressed when I visited the facility that they had so many items in stock, ready to go, and it's just a very good line of tooling that I'm very happy with.